students, this is a video lecture of class +1 physics. In our previous class we have done about the dimensions, and I have given you a worksheet that is on based on dimension. So let's discuss. We know that what is the velocity? Velocity is displacement upon time. So what is the dimension of displacement? L. What is the dimension of time? T. So that is equal to LT minus 1. So that's why this is LT minus 1. You have to put a scale, that is very important. You have to put a scale around the dimensions. So the acceleration is change in velocity upon time. What is the dimension of change in velocity? LT minus 1. And what is t is a time, so that is LT minus 2. On the other hand, what is force? Force is actually a mass into acceleration. So mass is m, LT minus 2 is acceleration. Density, mass upon volume, m upon L cube is the dimension of volume, so it is ml minus 3. Angle, very important. Angle has no dimension because on the numerator we have written a arc, that is actual length, but radius is same as it is actual length. So L by L is 1, that's why L the power 0, so it means no dimension. So angle has no dimension. A question comes in your exam that which physical quantity which has a unit but no dimension. It has units of radian. Angle has a unit of radian but has no dimensions. Similar as strain has no unit as well as no dimension because change in length for original length, that is a strain. Relative density, it also has no dimension because a density, it is relates the density of two objects. Above on the numerator a density, the unit of density, and in the denominator a unit of density, that's why it has no dimensions. And angular velocity means angular displacement, that is angular velocity means angle upon time. Angle has no dimension, that is 1 upon time t, so t minus 1 is the dimensions of angular velocity. Gravitational constant, you know that m1 m2 upon r square into g. So what is the dimension of g? Place g here and move r square on the other hand to the force, multiply by force and divide m1 m2 here. So we get a dimension. Put all the dimension, that is the dimension of force, this is the dimension of force written here mlt minus 2, here the dimension of length, at the denominator the dimension is product of the masses, so that is equal to, if we solve these, m minus 1 L cube and t minus 2 the dimension of gravitational constant. Similar, coefficient of viscosity is force upon area into velocity gradient. This is velocity gradient dy by dx. We will discuss in the next classes what is velocity gradient. So only we have to know the dimensions. So put all the dimension here and solve, we get the dimensions. Torque is force into distance. Force, we know the dimension of force, mlt minus 2 multiply by length equal to ml2 t minus 2. This is same as the dimension of work. Work has the same dimension of torque. You can check on your notebook. What is work? Work is also force into distance, that's why work and torque has same dimension. Okay, angular momentum, mass into velocity, mass into radius into velocity, ml lt minus 1 ml2 t minus 1. So I think you have done this worksheet on your notebook. Please make a notes regularly and submit through a app. That's your homework. So take care. Thank you.